So I remember a time when we were working on developing a tool that automatically generates a clinical note from just a recording of a session. So think of a 50-minute mental health visit. After that session, normally a clinician has to go and spend 15 or 20 minutes documenting everything that happened in that session. Oftentimes, there isn't enough time during the day to finish those notes, and so people are working on them at night and on the weekends. And so we are working on a tool that does that automatically. And when we were testing it out, we showed this AI generated note to an individual, to a clinician, and they didn't believe that the note that we had generated wasn't their own. We had to go back and actually show them their real clinical note for them to believe that we had actually generated this note just from that recording. And that's when I realized that, we really have this opportunity to have an impact on taking away one of the most tedious parts of a clinician's job, right? That we actually have the potential to drastically impact what that clinician's day-to-day really looks like.